Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows does not have enough information to verify this certificate. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all open your Windows setting, then press on Time and Language. Then click on Time and Language. In this you select time and date. Under this you can see here additional setting. Then click on sync now. After doing this, click on network and internet. Here a little bit scroll down. Then click on advanced network settings. Then click on network reset. Then click on reset now. After doing this, close this window. Go to the control panel. Click on network and internet. Click on network and sharing center. In this you select change adapter settings. Then right click on Ethernet. Click on properties. Then select here Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on properties. In this you select use the following DNS server addresses. Then type here 888888 4 and 4. Then click on OK. After clicking OK, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys, so in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.